Hey fellas, we're back at it. Guys, ladies, whoever's watching, family members. This is the outlet that's going in the wall. Obviously, I got a clear hole for wires. You guys can watch. This is whatever side you choose to pick first. Going in, the back, and out. You stick it in the wall. Look at that, the hole fit perfect. Once that one's in, you're gonna tighten it up, but I'm gonna stick this one in first too. You don't want to get your wires mixed up. Whatever one is going down below, you want to always go to the top of the new outlet, because that's power coming in. Oh, okay, let's get that one in. All the wires in there. You got both. I got both sets going in. Let's see. And just like that. So that one's that one. This is, try to dummy proof it. The wires going up are for the top. The wires coming down are for the bottom. And then we're gonna tighten both of these cap plates in there. Oh, Gray decided to come take a look and see what I was doing. The kitty, right there. Oh, hi guys, recording a video. The kids are playing around. Quarantine 2020. All right, I'll get these things tightened up. I would use a power gun, but I don't want to break the plastic pieces in the outlet. So, get these bad boys tightened up. Anybody can do this as long as you turn the power off on the outlet down below. Get your wires ready before you go ahead and plug them all in. Then you shut the power off. Do what you got to do, and you're good to go. All right, I'll get back to you in a minute.